Hello, this is Simon Thompson, Vice President and Wealth Advisor at Texas Legacy Wealth Management. Welcome to our monthly market update for November 2016. We're going to walk through the major market events of the month. Undoubtedly, the biggest event in November was the U.S. election. The surprise outcome didn't bring with it the widely expected stock market sell-off in the case of a Trump victory. Instead, we've seen markets move higher, hitting new all-time highs, while many investors seem to be focused on the potential of new fiscal spending and less regulatory overhang, contributing to increased economic growth. Only time will tell what policies President-elect Trump and the Republican-held Congress will focus on. We wouldn't be surprised to see future market volatility as investors continue to weigh the potential impact of new policies. One area significantly impacted since the election, perhaps even more so than stocks, has been the fixed income market. We've seen the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield jump from 1.79% in early November up to 2.37% at the end of the month. That's a big jump for yields in a relatively short period of time. The bond market's telling us there's more risk of inflation moving forward for many of the same reasons that stocks have moved higher. While some inflation in the economy is desirable, investors that have an allocation to fixed income should be careful. In our opinion, now is the time for investors to review their fixed income allocation to ensure a good understanding of the potential impact and risk of rising interest rates. As if the month hadn't been busy enough, there was a critical OPEC meeting at the end of the month in which OPEC members agreed to cut production. This surprise led to a rally in energy stocks on the prospects of increased oil prices. At the end of November, oil closed at approximately $50 per barrel. Oil has been a huge part of the story for 2016 and will be an area to watch moving forward, as increasing oil prices could serve as a tailwind for some sectors and a headwind for others. As we look forward to December, historically one of the strongest months of the year for the market, there are a number of major events which could move markets. We believe the market will be focusing on the November jobs report, elections in Austria and Italy, and central bank meetings, both the ECB and Federal Reserve. We've discussed central banks many times throughout the year, and it appears the time is right for the Fed to raise interest rates, with recent Fed speeches hinting strongly at a rate hike, and the market pricing in an almost 95% chance of a rate hike this month. While each of these events could lead to surprises for the market, we feel that the economy is on firm footing and a recession in the near term is unlikely. That said, we believe now is a great time to review your overall asset allocation, especially fixed income, particularly if the volatility we experienced throughout this year has been uncomfortable. For more information about Texas Legacy Wealth Management, you can contact us via phone, email, or feel free to visit our website. We'd also like to remind you to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Thank you.